pretty serious over here. We are dunking G.I. Joe. Oh, yay, release. Oh, what else is in this cup? I feel some water in there. Oh, yep, let's put that in there. See you later, Han Solo. This cup makes me angry. Why won't these soldiers stay in that cup? I'll teach you. I need my hand-eye coordination for better. Hi, is Mama's teasing you? Get the man in the cup. Oh, is it too hard? Yeah, you're trying to get him in there? I see. Oh, now you can do it. You're really focused on this task. There you go. Oh, good job. You got him in. Is he staying in there? There you go.